Hello, David here, and the project for today is replacing the cartridge on a Pfister Kitchen Faucet. I bought this in 1997. I did replace the O-rings in this part in 2017, but this is what's happening. It turns itself off. Okay, now it's making me a liar, but it does turn itself off a lot. And I got my wife to believe in that it was a water-saving feature, but then it just started happening too often, and now she wants it fixed. So I did a repair on this. I made a YouTube video on this about 2017, and I'll put the link to that up in the upper right corner. And if you're watching on Rumble, I'll put the link down in the description below, because all my videos are cross-posted to my Rumble channel, just in case YouTube gets mad at me and kicks me off. Pfister has a great warranty. They sent me this replacement cartridge out for free. It's got a lifetime warranty. You can't beat that. First step is to remove this cap. Sometimes all the dirt in there kind of locks it on, and you need something really fine to get in there, and you got to be really careful not to cut yourself. Ew. Make sure you clean it out really good before you reassemble. And don't forget to turn the water off underneath the sink, or you're going to have a mess. Need a Phillips screwdriver to take the handle off. Yeah, that could use some cleaning too. This collar should screw right off. It's made out of plastic. Gonna have to get a wrench to fit that. I don't think this will fit. I'll be darned, it does fit. I got this 33mm socket for the replacement part. The replacement part is plastic, but I noticed that it fit 33mm pretty well. You know, I might use this old one because it's made out of brass. It's probably hold up better. So lift this thing out. Make sure the gasket comes out along with it. I'm going to get a rag and clean that up in there. Here's a new part. There's a little index tab. Index tab is right there. Come on, you're going to focus for me. Index tab goes at the top. Goes that way, but first, I'll put a little bit of silicone paste on the gasket. Just a little film. just turned the water on. I wanted to make sure it wasn't leaking around here because you don't want to tighten it too hard, and you don't want to have it too loose. So I didn't want to Gorilla down on it. So there's no leaks around here. I'm ready to put this on. I just cleaned it. Halfway up is where it's really falling down. Not falling down anymore. It's very snug. By the way, model number, it's either 34-4, J34-4, or 834-4. Take your pick. And I consider this video a success. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.